Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to enable a private profile on the Clubhouse app. If you value privacy and want to control who can see your information and activity, this tutorial will show you exactly what to do in a clear and simple way. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then, tap on the gear icon settings. In the Settings menu, you will see your profile name displayed at the top. Tap on your profile name to open the profile options. Then, from the menu that appears, you will find an option to turn on Private Profile. Toggle this option, then click on Yes, Confirm to enable privacy for your account. Once the private profile is turned on, only people you approve can follow you or see your activity on Clubhouse. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.